Here is the key for Air Practice 8. Question number 1, you're going to keep, change, flip for all of the dividing fractions problems. So you're keeping your first fraction, changing, divide to multiply, and turning this over, flipping it. So problem number 1, the answer is 16. Number 2, the answer is 9. Number 3, the answer all the way down to the simplest form is 2 4/5. Number 4, the answer is 15. Number 5, 1 1/3. Number 6, 2 1/2. Number 7 is 38 spools of tape. Number 8, which of the following problems can be solved by finding 4 divided by 2/3? So if you remember, I used this phrase, how many blank are in blank, and I filled it in how many 2/3 are in 4. And letter B really follows that almost to a T. How many 2/3 cup serving of soup are in 4 cups of soup? So B is the answer. Number 9, answer is D. You've got 1 hole, 2 holes, and 1/4 of a hole. So 2 1/4 divided, and then they're dividing it into 3/4 sections. So 2 1/4 divided by 3/4. Number 10 is the letter E. 16 is the answer. Number 11 is 5/6. Number 12 is 21 classmates can have lemonade. Next page, these are your inequality questions. Number 1 is worth 2 points because there's 2 sections. This is actually the same problem we had on the mock air. So January is colder than December because it is further to the left on the number line. So 1 point for getting the answer correct, which is January, and 1 point for the explanation that the point January is further to the left on the numbered line than December. It's the only one that's further to the left, meaning it's colder if you put the rest of these on a number line. Number 2, which number is furthest from -2 on the number line? So I put all of these numbers on a number line. This is absolute value because you're figuring out distance from a number. So the absolute value, you're subtracting. The one that's the furthest from -2 would be 6. So letter A, I didn't mark it, but that's the answer. Number 3, T is greater than -7. Number 5, the opposite of -3.2 is +3.2. And number 6, the answer is A. Aaron has lost 250 points. So counting up all of the problems, including the one problem that was worth 2 points, there are a total number of 18 points possible that you could get. So you're going to count up all the points that you got correct, put that number over 18. So if you got 16 points, put that 16 over 18. Then you're going to cross multiply and divide to find out your percent. And once you've done that, put your answer in the Google form.